In this video, we will discuss about length contraction and its examples. So, first of all, we need to know what is special relativity. It is a theory which was given by Albert Einstein in 1905. It explains how space and time are linked for objects that are moving at a consistent speed in a straight line. Its aspects concerned with the objects moving with the speed of light. It is applied to all physical phenomena in the absence of gravity. It's basically all about the objects which are moving with the speed of light. Consequences of special relativity. The main consequences of special relativity are time dilation, length contraction and mass expansion. And in this we are talking about length contraction. So what is length contraction? According to the theory of special relativity, objects appear to contract in the direction they are traveling when they are moving as fast as the speed of light. The contraction in length of the body depends upon the relative speed of the observer. So basically in length contraction is a phenomenon in which the objects that are moving with the speed equivalent or less than speed of light appear to contract. Their length seems to be contracting than their actual length. Its formula. Its formula is L equals to L naught under root 1 minus v square upon c square, where L is the length of the object in rest. L naught is the length of the object in rest and L equals the length of object in motion, and v is the relative velocity between the observer and the moving object, and c is the speed of light. Its examples. Okay, suppose any supernatural being with all its force threw a ball in the space and its velocity became less than or equivalent to the speed of light. The person who is observing the whole event from sun will find that the length of the ball is contracting, and as the speed is increasing, the ball seems to be contracting with the increasing speed and finally it will disappear. So बेसिकली हम लोग यहाँ पे सन से इसलिए देख रहे हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ अ फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस विच इज़ फिक्स्ड, इट्स नॉट मूविंग. As we all know, Earth spin on its axis. That's why we are not considering Earth as the frame of reference. Okay, so basically जो ball रहेगी at a speed 0, it will be in its initial dimensions, and when its velocity will be like equal to 0.87 c, it will contract, and then it will contract as the speed will increase. Next example. So supposing my friend was moving across the country and he rented a super van and he drove the van at speed 0.6 c, and as he passed by me the van appeared to be shrunk and I had observed the whole event from the other side of the street. इसमें मैंने खुद को फिक्स्ड माना है, मतलब मैं रेस्ट पे हूँ, मैं आई एम स्टेशनरी. ओके, और जो वैन है वो मेरे सामने से निकल रही है, उसकी स्पीड 0.6 सी है, तो बेसिकली जो उसकी लेंथ रहेगी रेस्ट पे उससे उसकी लेंथ कम हो जाएगी. इट विल सीम टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. आई होप सब लोगों को समझ में आया हो, एंड इफ़ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल or helpful, let me know in the comment section, and if you guys are having any doubts, so please let me know in the comment section.